In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crossfade audio on CapCut. A crossfade blends the end of one audio clip with the beginning of another, so your transition sounds smooth instead of abrupt. We'll walk through the process step by step inside CapCut, keeping it simple and clean. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Once you're in the editor, make sure you can see the timeline at the bottom of the screen. That's where all of your audio editing will happen. If you're prompted to add media, you can skip video for now and focus on the sound, or add a placeholder clip. Either way works since we're working with audio. Next, add two audio files. Bring in the first track you want to start with, then add the second track you want to transition into. They'll appear as separate audio clips on the timeline. If needed, trim the ends so each clip starts and ends where you want. Keeping the parts you actually want to hear makes the crossfade tighter and more intentional, and it helps you avoid blending unwanted sections. Now, make an overlay by overlapping the two audio clips. Drag the second audio so it slightly overlaps the end of the first. This overlap is the space where your crossfade will live. For dialogue, a shorter overlap, around 1 to 3 seconds, usually sounds natural. For music, try a bit longer, maybe 4 to 6 seconds, to let beats and melodies blend. The key is to create enough overlap for the fade to feel gradual, not rushed. Select the first audio and adjust its fade out. In CapCut, you can either use the fade controls in the audio settings or drag the small fade handle at the end of the clip. Extend the fade so it covers the overlap area you just created. The goal is for the first track to get softer as the second one approaches, without dropping too quickly. Watch the waveform to see where the first track can gracefully taper off. End of a phrase or a quiet section often works best. Then select the second audio and set a fade in. Again, use the fade settings or the fade handle at the clip's start. Match this fade to the same overlap span so it rises as the first track falls. Listen back and fine-tune the lengths until the volume feels even through the middle. No sudden dips or spikes. If it still sounds abrupt, lengthen both fades a little and test again. And that's it. Your crossfade is ready. Play it through once more, make any tiny tweaks, and you're done.